welcome you all. So this video is for levels of Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex for 27th of March, right? So 26th is on holiday. So let us review the levels of 25th, right? And where we were looking out for a gamma blast and what happened in Sensex expiry. So we'll be discussing a lot today. Before going ahead, please read this disclaimer. So this is very important. You have to manage your own risk and you have to have your own research. Okay, let us move ahead. So today, that is 25th, not today, 25th, we had Nifty levels. We'll be starting off with Nifty. Okay, Nifty level opened directly at resistance, right? And it started moving up with the first target of 23,200, then started moving slowly towards 23,356, and then it started moving towards the third target 23,517, right? Did it achieve the third target? No. So I have said in various videos, always look for first target and then second target. Third target for the day is an extreme target. Do you understand me? Right? So third target is achieved when there is a huge pressure either on the downside or on the upside. Third target is always a trailing one. If you're not trailing, then obviously third target, second target से भी return हो सकता है. ठीक है? So we opened gap up little bit and then we started moving upside, upside and upside. So what will happen now? I think so you must be if you must be seeing the earlier video which was uploaded on 25th, that I have mentioned the tips, right? First tip, tips, all these tips, right? And this one also a tip. I said it has to move above this high. It will give a little bit of a retracement, then it will break this high again this way and this, right? This is what we are planning, and we have to take out the levels on a daily basis. Okay, so that is very important. You have to keep this in mind. Did we breach this high? Yes. So let us see if it is sustaining or not. See, earlier also it breached the high. Can you see this? Over here also it breached the high, but did it sustain? No. So let us see, is it sustaining? After coming over here, it has to move again upside. Okay, chalo, let us mark the levels for 27th, that is Friday, right? Friday generally क्या होता है? Weekly expiry of Nifty and Sensex gets over, so that is tend to be market moving one side but premiums moving very slowly, right? So you have to understand, okay, if you're an options trader, you have to trail immediately on Friday. भले 10-15 points का profits आते हैं, आपको trail करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ठीक है? So same way with the Sensex. I think so I explained on Sensex. Yes. Can you see this? This one was the explanation. टिप को तोड़ने दो, फिर एक स्मॉल रिट्रेसमेंट आएगा, वहां पे अगर डिमांड जोन है एंड सपोर्ट है, both are matching it, then you can look for long at that point. ठीक है? So now see, it is already recorded. So whatever I am saying is what is recorded and how it is playing. Let us start off with Nifty. So Nifty, now I'm erasing this. I'm not keeping this because it will, your charts has to be clean, right? So now I'm moving this green lines first. Resistance of Nifty is at this level. 23,500 is the resistance, and support is a very big level it is coming, right? Currently we are at 23,300. 400 points down support is, I'm taking out this. Let us find out if we are having any demand zone at that level, then that would be a good sign. Okay, so right, this is going to be the mid level, that is 23,192. it is nothing but a 50 EMA. Can you see 5 EMA is trying to come down below 20 EMA. So अगर gap down भी open हुआ due to whatever might be the news, see मेरे से ज़्यादा news you have from various sources, right? So Iran is not ready for it has put down its own conditions, wherein US has put down its own conditions. Israel is not stopping everything, whatever it is coming to your, but here we are doing it completely on a technical basis, right? So as a technical 50 EMA, if 50 EMA is getting breached, obviously this is going to be your first support, that is 23,943 levels, that is 50 levels, and 43,950 thoda idhar hai, right? 950 levels is going to be your support. If gap down opens, what I'm asking, well, I'm telling you how you should plan your day. If a gap down opens, wait till 22,959. If a green candle forms over here, then you can look out for going long, provided your stop loss is very small. If your stop loss is not small, you just have to observe, is the level, support level is supporting or not. Okay? If red candle forms, see a gap down opening, say over here there is a red candle, and over here if a red candle is formed, do not short immediately. You have to wait for another red candle to form at this level, that is 22,881. Then you can plan for, this is going to be the first level and this is second level. Got it? First level is 22,628 and the next level is very near 22,470 levels, right? इसके नीचे जाएगा तो obviously you have bigger levels coming down. We have to move on to the 2 hours chart. A 2 hours chart, yes. Let us see levels. थोड़ा speed रहूँगा because आज we have all the 3 to be discussed. Okay, this is 2 hours chart. 4 hours में एक बार check कर लेते हैं. Do we have any demand zone? Okay, the levels marked are very clear. So I'm moving down to 15 minutes. You got my point? A gap down, if you're opening gap down that is below 23,176, wait for breach of 22,959. Over here, if a red candle is formed and another at 22,881, then you can look out for going downside, that is 22,628, 22,460. Right? Agar gap down opening, wait till 22,959, and if a green candle is forming, you can look for going long. Say suppose flat opening. If a flat opening happens, wait for 23,176, and if a green 23,176, and if a green candle is formed over here, then look for going long till here. Right? I'm expecting a gap down. Expectation है थोड़ा, because Iran and US और इन सब का थोड़ा issues चल रहे हैं. There is energy crisis going on. Even we have been warned by our Prime Minister कि भाई we have to be ready. Obviously, we have to be ready for both the sides. As a trader, we have to be ready for both the sides, right? So this is Sensex. This is Nifty. Nifty के up levels, that is 23,502 is your resistance. If that breaks, then 23,770. Mid level में कुछ है? Yes, mid level में एक level है, that is this level. But it is a minute one. 1px किधर गया? Green and one. This is a minute one, right? बहुत minute है ये. This is yeah. So 23,650 is the level, and if that breaches, then 23,770, and then the top level is okay. Upside जाने में hurdles बहुत है. 23,862 and 23,990 levels. ठीक है? So what is Gift Nifty saying? Gift Nifty, where is Gift Nifty? Okay, Gift Nifty is saying it is opening as 23,145, मतलब gap down दिख रहा है. Fine, that is okay. Before going ahead with Bank Nifty and Sensex, Reliance, I was looking out for Reliance, a breach of, see we have already discussed that 1444 will be the good point कि भाई यहाँ से long आप देख सकते हो. But even this is interesting. 14,030 levels. Can you see? Rejection, 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 rejection. Right? Various times rejections आए हैं. So थोड़ा this point is acting as a crucial level. Breach यहाँ पे भी green आया, and then यहाँ पे green आया, then that would be a very good sign for going a swing, for a swing trade, a long trade. ठीक है? उस टाइम पे options traders you can look out for monthly expiry. अगर अप्रैल के एंड के आसपास आ रहा है तो फिर आप मई एक्सपायरी पे चले जाना. और दूसरा यहाँ पे I saw this one, right? But it is very minute. It is, we have to observe until and unless 1430 is not crossed. You are not supposed to take any positions in Reliance Industries. Intraday traders you can look out for, but swing traders you have to wait for the confirmation. Can you see this? There is a demand zone over here also, so थोड़ा risky ही दिख रहा है. And plus a gap, it is looking out for a gap down opening, and obviously this is bound to breach, and if this is breaching, do not go take any long positions in Reliance. ठीक है? Chalo, now let us move on to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, same way. Did it breach this tip? No. So wait. See, we have a good demand zone over here. That is, see, this is what I look out for. A splendid and a superb demand zone. बहुत अच्छा है. Before that, we also had a discussion of Bank Nifty that we will not short Bank Nifty for till we do not breach 50, that is Bank Nifty doesn't breach 51,125. ये green case में आएगा, confirmation नहीं है, because at the time of entering, see, we did not had these candles, right? We did not had these candles. I think so. We discussed on this day. That is on 20th March. We discussed that trend is completely down, but there is a good zone. That is, this green zone is a good zone. We will wait for confirmation. Matlab, it will enter the green zone. Whatever it wants to play, let it play. And once it breaches with a green candle, we will look out for a long, right? And if this green is breached, and then if it is coming, then we have to wait for another levels for the confirmation. If you remember, we had this discussion. Did it breach with a green candle? Yes. And then did it give a good movement? I think so, from 50 to 400 or 500 levels to 54,000. Yeah, till 54,000, right? 54,000, so 156 something. So 52,500 to 54,000. Good catch, right? So this is what the technical showed. Okay, so let us start marking for 27th for the Bank Nifty trade. Bank Nifty, the resistance is at this levels, that is 54,376, and mid level is this. And the support is at 52,965 levels. If the support breaches, then we can look out for next level, that is 52,527 and 52,113. Now this green is still intact. Why it is still intact? Because it has not breached. Can you see over here? The Bank Nifty has not breached. And there is a good demand zone also over here. Got it? So that's the reason Bank Nifty is still holding strong. That is 51,700 and 51,800 levels you can look out for. That would be the last level for Bank Nifty to make a U-turn again, right? And if suppose, see, mid level is this, sorry, mid level is 50 EMA, right? 53,358. If a Bank Nifty opens gap down 53,358 के नीचे अगर ओपन होता है, वेट करना 52,963 से अगर रिवर्स दिखा रहा है तो लॉन्ग पोजीशंस. इफ इट इज ब्रेकिंग then obviously there is another small level. जैसे बैंक निफ्टी में सॉरी जैसे निफ्टी में है, वैसे भी बैंक निफ्टी में एक छोटा सा कंफर्मेशन नहीं, कंफर्मेशन वाला लेवल है ये. मतलब 52,735 ब्रीच किया तो भाई you can look out for taking up a short position still 52,113. ठीक है, because Bank Nifty has not breached the tape. You got it? देखो हाई निकाला नहीं है उसने. Bank Nifty has not taken out the high. Once it takes out the high, then we can see for Bank Nifty taking up a U-turn towards upside. ठीक है? So this is Bank Nifty. Sensex, let us move quickly towards the levels. एक्सप्लेनेशन सेम ही है, निफ्टी का जैसे है वैसे ही है सेंसेक्स का भी. इट इज जस्ट द लेवल्स. आई एम जस्ट मार्किंग इट आउट. थोड़ा साइलेंट हो गया ना एकदम से. सो नाउ दिस इज going to be the levels for Sensex. Sensex, yeah. $75 119, the 75 200 and 74 873. If it opens between 75 200 and 74 873, do not take any of the trades, right? उसके बीच में वो घूमता रहेगा, प्रीमियम्स खा जाएंगे. If it opens below 74 873, your first support is going to be 74 435, and after that immediately 74 252, and if that also breaches, then 73 813, right? उसके नीचे आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग, बट अगर आया तो 73,057 तक. उसके बाद उसको अपसाइड के लिए जाना चाहिए. नहीं जा रहा है देन बी रेडी फॉर अ बिगर डाउन साइड, राइट? क्योंकि स्टिल जियोपॉलिटिकल टेंशंस ईज नहीं हुआ है, इतना समझ लेना. क्योंकि यहां से रिटर्न होना चाहिए, यहां से आके रिटर्न होना चाहिए, बट यहां पे अगर इसको भी ब्रीच कर दिया, कैन यू सी, फर्स्ट इट स्टार्टेड मूविंग अप, सेकेंड सपोर्ट लिया, वापस अप साइड मूव हुआ, फिर ब्रीच करके नीचे आया, अगेन सपोर्ट से अर्लियर जो सपोर्ट था वहां से रेसिस्टेंस मिला, बट वो रेसिस्टेंस को तोड़ा उसने. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द करंट मार्किंग्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द अर्लियर वन. दिस वन अर्लियर इट वाज अ सपोर्ट, राइट? सपोर्ट से आपको अपस्विंग मिला, सपोर्ट से आपको अपस्विंग मिला. व्हेन इट आपका सपोर्ट जब टूट गया तो नीचे ब्रेकडाउन हो गया ना. अगेन सपोर्ट पे आके वापस नीचे आया, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या किया, सपोर्ट को तोड़ दिया यहाँ पे. तो सपोर्ट को तोड़ के नीचे ऊपर चले गया, मतलब रेसिस्टेंस हो गया ना. सपोर्ट बिकेम अ रेसिस्टेंस ओवर हियर फॉर दिस. 23 मार्च और 24 मार्च को रेसिस्टेंस हो गया था. रेसिस्टेंस को ब्रेक करके ऊपर चले गया, मतलब अभी क्या हो गया, ये वापस सपोर्ट बना आपका, है कि नहीं? तो अगर ये सपोर्ट को तोड़ दिया तो फिर ऑब्वियसली नीचे आ गए. तो मतलब ये सपोर्ट जो है वो एक्चुअली सपोर्ट नहीं किया, बहुत सपोर्ट हो गया है. ठीक है. सो नाउ दीज आर द लेवल्स फॉर 27th of March. I would like every one of you to click on the subscribe button, because everyone is asking me on a personal note कि भाई please send us the link of your YouTube videos. So बहुत सारे जन का I miss out on many of you giving the replies, so it is better you subscribe it and automatically आपको pop-ups आते रहेंगे कि whenever I'm putting up a videos you will get the pop-ups, right? So have a great and a profitable day tomorrow. Take care. See you soon on the next video, which I'll be uploading it again today on some of the equities which I'm looking out for. कि यहाँ से हम अगर swing ले सकते हैं क्या, या it is still at a down. Obviously Nifty 50 के equities रहेंगे, right? चलो, have a great and a profitable day tomorrow. See you soon. Take care.